Hi children, welcome to our Geography Olympiad class for today's state Jammu and Kashmir. We are learning in alphabetical order, and in our alphabetical order today it is Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is, it has two capitals, in summer Srinagar and in winter Jammu. Now let us see the major cities. The major cities of Jammu and Kashmir are Srinagar, Jammu, Leh, Anantnag, Poonch, Kargil, Udhampur. Regarding the tourist places, Jammu and Kashmir is a wonderful place, and the tourist places are Shalimar Gardens, Dal Lake, famous for its shikaras, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Jojila Border Pass, Ular Freshwater Lake, monasteries in Ladakh, monastery treks to Zaskar Valley, Amarnath Cave, Vaishna Devi Temple, Lake Morir. The location of Jammu and Kashmir is, Jammu and Kashmir is the northernmost state of the country and is situated mostly in the Himalayan mountains. It shares a border with the states of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab on the southwest and west, by Pakistan on the north and east by China. Geographical facts. Rivers that flow through this state are Chenab, Jhelum, Indus, Tavi, Zanskar, Nubra and Shylock. Mountain ranges that are found in this region are Great Himalayas, Great Karakoram Range, Shivalik Range and Zaskar Range. Jammu and Kashmir is the home to several valleys. The main valley is the Kashmir Valley. Airports and seaports. Major airports are located in Srinagar International, Jammu and Leh. There are no seaports in Kashmir. The principal languages of Jammu and Kashmir are, the official language is Urdu and the local languages are Kashmiri, Dogri, Pahari, Ladakhi, Punjabi. The interesting facts of Jammu and Kashmir are, Jammu and Kashmir is the only state in India with a Muslim majority population. Jammu and Kashmir is known for its beauty and is described variously as the paradise on earth, the dreamland, the choicest creation of God, etc. The name Srinagar means the city of Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. It was founded by Ashoka the Great. The present city of Srinagar was built by Pravarsena II, adjoining the old city. A real charmer, the floating post office cum philately museum fits itself into a largest boat and is moved right on the boulevard. It is known to be India's first floating post office in Kashmir. While Aurangzeb visited Kashmir only once, Jahangir topped the chart by visiting this beautiful valley 13 times during his reign. Jammu and Kashmir is by far the most beautiful, scenic, and pristine place on earth, scared by the disputes over its ownership. Despite this, the beautiful landscape of the Kashmir Valley, serenity around Leh, and iconic Dal Lake and religious shrines in Jammu satiate every traveler's soul. Let us see the wonderful pics of Jammu and Kashmir. The case of two flags. Duality. Jammu and Kashmir has its own flag in addition to the Indian flag. And two capitals too. This is also duality. Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals. Srinagar is the summer capital of the state, whereas Jammu is the winter capital of the state. Delicious beverages of Kashmir. Gulabi chai shai. Sheer chai or gulabi chai is a traditional beverage of Kashmir. In addition to being pink in color, it is salty in taste as well. Amarnath Cave. Almost 5,000 years old, Amarnath Cave is located in Jammu and Kashmir, has a natural Shiv Lingam made up of ice. Curious case of, who found the Amarnath Cave? Curious case of Bhutta Malik. According to the legends, the Amarnath Cave was discovered by a Muslim shepherd named Bhutta Malik. The coldest of them all. Dras, Ladakh. Dras is the coldest inhabited place in India, with the temperatures reaching as low as minus 60 degrees. It is the second coldest inhabited place in the world. Jammu plays by its own rules. Diversity yet united. Jammu and Kashmir is the only state in India to have its own constitution. The magnificent Pangong Lake. Pangong Lake, Ladakh. Located at a height of 4,350 meters from sea level, it is 143 kilometers long and extends from Leh, India to Tibet region of China. The many beautiful birdies of Ladakh. Free birds of Ladakh. Ladakh is arid but home to 225 species of birds such as finches, robins, redstorts, and hoopoe. Archaic but glorious ruins. Ruins of Martand Sun Temple. Sun Temple at Martand in Anantnag was built around 8th century. It gives a complete view of the Kashmiri Valley. Leadership in Kashmir. Prime Minister of Kashmir. The head of state was referred to as the Prime Minister. After the amendment of 1965 in the Constitution, Chief Minister came into being. Mail on boat. Floating post office. India's first floating post office built on a houseboat in moat at the western edge of Dal Lake, Srinagar. The shimmering water houses. Now Narain. According to the locals, the houseboat phenomena started way back in 1880s in Dal Lake by Pandit Narendas to house English visitors and residents. Mughals' favorite vacation spot, Jahangir's holiday destination. Kashmir Valley is said to be Mughal Emperor Jahangir's favorite holiday destination. He came here 13 times during his reign. Jammu and its neighbors. International borders. It shares its border with Pakistan in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, and China in the northeast. Sky Away. Gulmarg. It is a popular hill station known for skating. It was originally known as Gauri Marg by the shepherds in honor of goddess Parvati. The ancient Mughal garden, spring at Chosme Shahi, Srinagar. It is one of the Mughal gardens built in 1632 AD around a spring. The spring waters have some medicinal properties in it. Major pilgrimage site, Vaishna Devi Temple. The iconic temple of Vaishna Devi is located on the Trikuta Mountains. In 2011 and 2012, over 1 crore devotees visited this shrine. You need something to beat that cold. Vaishno Devi Temple. The iconic temple of Vaishno Devi is located on the Trikuta Mountains. In 2011 and 2012. Over 1 crore devotees visited this shrine. The ever-present Bollywood. Bithab Valley, Pahalgam. It is located 15 kilometers from Pahalgam and is named after Bithab, a Bollywood film that was shot here. Thank you, children. And for homework, children, note down all these things. Especially Jammu and Kashmir is very, very interesting tourist place, and it is a wonderful, awesome place. So, go through this and learn the things. Okay.